Hello and welcome. Let's just take a moment here. Tonight, we're going to step away from all the code, all the complex diagrams, and instead, we're going to hear a story. It's a story about a silent guardian, one who keeps our entire digital world turning day in and day out. So, I want you to imagine a quiet night. The world outside, it's asleep. But there's this other world, and it's just waking up. A world that hums with this soft digital glow. And this is that world. A world of screens and lights and clicks. You've got millions of people browsing, connecting, sharing, all without giving it a second thought. Just countless, invisible actions happening every single second. But what if? What if every single one of those clicks is actually a question? And every question is like a tiny little mystery just waiting to be solved. So let's explore this mystery together, shall we? Our story starts in this huge, sprawling digital city we call the Internet. And in this city, there are millions upon millions of houses, and every single house is a website. But there was a really big problem. You see, the houses, they didn't have friendly names like you and I would use. Their real addresses were just these long, complicated strings of numbers. Something like 192.168.24.57. I mean, who could possibly remember that? We wanted simple, easy names, like Amazon.com. So the city had this massive conflict. How do you connect a simple name that people can remember to a complicated address that computers need? And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? A name, no matter how simple, is completely useless unless someone or something knows where that house actually is. The city needed a guide. It needed a silent guardian. And so the city hired one. His name was Route 53. Every single time someone typed a website into their browser, a question would just echo out into the dark. Where is this website? And you know what? That question always found its way to him. But Route 53, he never panicked. He never rushed. Whenever a question came in, he would just simply open his massive book of records, find the name, and calmly provide the answer. This name, it belongs right over here. Now, this incredible book of records, it has a real name. It's called the DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. And it's basically the city's official guide. It's the thing that translates the simple names we use into the real numerical locations that computers can actually understand. But one night, disaster struck. A really popular house in the city just went dark. Its servers failed, screens went blank, and you could feel the panic start to spread. But the Guardian, he didn't panic. See, Route 53 already had a plan. He checked the main road leading to the website and saw blocked. So without making a sound, without any fuss, he just opened up a backup road, quietly sending everyone to another server that was healthy and working just fine. This incredible, life-saving power is what we call health checks and failover. It means that if one location suddenly fails, our Guardian has the power to send users somewhere else that's safe and online. A true Guardian never lets the city stop. Well, as the digital city grew bigger and bigger, a totally new challenge started to appear: traffic. The roads were getting really, really congested. And the problem was actually pretty simple when you think about it. You had way too many people trying to use the same road all at the same time. This was leading to slow websites and, of course, frustrated users. So Route 53 went back to studying the map. And he got creative. He started splitting up the traffic in these really smart ways. Some travelers were sent down one road, others down a different one. He could send people to the server that was physically closest to them, or divide them based on how much traffic there was, or even guide them along the absolute fastest path available. He wasn't just answering questions anymore. He was literally optimizing the entire journey for everyone. Then one day, a young creator came to the city. She said, "I've built something wonderful, but nobody can find it." Route 53 asked her gently, "What is its name?" She whispered it to him. And in that one moment, he registered it, he protected it, and he connected it to the city's huge network. Just like that, her idea finally had an identity. And this simple but incredibly powerful act is called domain registration. It's how a new idea gets its official name and its identity on the internet. And of course, once something has a name, the entire world can find it. And yet, through all of this, nobody ever saw Route 53. Nobody ever stopped to thank him. His work was absolutely critical, but it was also completely invisible. But he is there. every single second of every single day. When a video loads instantly without buffering, when an online payment goes through successfully, when a website just feels fast and responsive, that is the work of our quiet guardian. So, this is really the essence of the Guardian's power. First, it translates our simple names into real locations. Second, it keeps the city running, even when things break. And third, it guides everyone intelligently to create the fastest, smoothest journey possible. And this brings us to the moral of our story. The most important systems, the ones our world truly depends on, are very often completely invisible. We just don't notice them until they're gone. The lesson here is a really powerful one, I think. Just like our silent guardian in the digital city, you don't have to be loud to be powerful. You just have to be reliable. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you'll look for the quiet guardians in your own world, and always remember, it's so often the silent, reliable work that's done in the background that truly changes everything.